Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app data on any Android device. Open the settings menu. This is the main control center where you can manage and customize all your device features. Next, scroll down and tap on apps or applications. The name may vary depending on your device brand. Once inside, to view the full list of installed apps on your phone. Now scroll and locate the app for which you want to clear data. Tap on the app name to open its app info page. Here, you'll see several options related to that specific app. Look for the storage and source storage and cache option and tap on it. Inside, you'll find options such as clear cache and clear data, sometimes labeled as clear storage. To completely reset the app, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation message may appear. Simply confirm your choice. The app data will be cleared immediately. Keep in mind that clearing app data will remove saved settings, login details, and offline files, essentially resetting the app to its default state. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Quantum Tech Lab for more easy tech tutorials.